Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start Google Cloud step by step. Begin by signing into your Google account and opening the Google Cloud console. Next, enable billing to access free trial credits and paid services. Create a new project to keep resources organized and apply IAM roles for secure team access. Finally, take a quick tour of the dashboard to find APIs, compute, storage, and networking features ready for setup. In this video, I will show how to start Google Cloud step by step. Start by enabling Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, and IAM APIs in your project for core functionality. Create a virtual machine instance with the right CPU and memory to host your application, and choose an operating system image. Then create cloud storage buckets for durable file storage and configure access controls and lifecycle rules to manage costs and retention automatically. In this video, I will show how to start Google Cloud step by step. Quick recommendation. On another note, consider reading The Simple Path to Wealth to rethink savings, investing, and long-term goals. It pairs oddly well with cloud cost planning. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to start Google Cloud step by step. Configure a VPC network and firewall rules to limit traffic to only necessary ports and IP ranges. Create service accounts with minimal IAM roles for automation and CI pipelines to follow least privilege. Enable Cloud Audit Logs and Security Command Center to monitor activity and detect threats. And set up basic alerting so you know when resources change or unexpected access occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.